Hey, what's going on guys, it's Ross here, and today I'm going to show you how I generated $249,000 as an affiliate without using ClickBank. I'm going to show you my entire method, and also I'm going to share with you the 3 main benefits of not using ClickBank but using different affiliate networks. And so the goal for this video is to help you make more money by diversifying your affiliate campaigns, and also if you're just getting started and you're a complete beginner, to help you start as smooth and as easy as possible. So let's jump right into my computer. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen and show you the entire system and the benefits. Alright fellas, so we're right here into one of the affiliate networks that I use that is different than ClickBank, and this one is called GiddyUp. We can see here the revenue we've generated is $249,000, which is pretty significant for a small underground network that is not related to ClickBank. Now the first main benefit of not using ClickBank is using affiliate CPA network. So what I mean by that, GiddyUp is a CPA network, which stands for cost per action. You gotta understand that very carefully. Let me visualize it for you. For example, let's say on ClickBank your commission is $50, and let's say on GiddyUp, the CPA network, your commission is as well $50. Both networks have 30 to 60 days money back guarantee to the customer. Let's say you drive traffic, you make a sale, you make one conversion, and one conversion means $50 in both platforms. But let's say in ClickBank the customer decides she or he doesn't like the product and they want a refund. And ClickBank, what they're gonna do, they're going to take your $50 commissions and they're gonna send them back to the customer. So basically you're going to lose your conversion or your commissions. Whereas on CPA networks, you're not getting affected by refunds. The customer wants a refund and the network will just refund them without taking money out of your pocket. I know it sounds kind of weird, but this is how it works with a CPA, because CPA might not be just a sale. CPA can be a person signs up as a lead, or a person clicks a button on a website and you're getting paid per action. This is what you have to understand. In ClickBank, you're getting paid per sale. Here, you're getting paid per action, and the action can be a sale as well, but it's called an action. Once the client or the customer have done or has done the action, you're getting paid, that's it, and nobody's touching your money. So that's benefit number 1, very important. Now let's jump straight to benefit number 2, which is unique products. By the way, another important fact, if you want to become more successful with affiliate marketing and make more money as an affiliate, there is a free way, and the free way is you scroll down on this video, and when you scroll down, you're going to find this red big button that says subscribe. So hit the subscribe button and you're going to become more successful every time you watch some of my videos. And by the way, while you're down there, why don't you hit the like button as well, because it's free and it actually turns black. It's pretty cool. Try it for yourself. Alright, anyway, so let's go back to the video. Now in this affiliate network, so if I go here to offers, we're going to find way different products than the products or offers you can find on ClickBank. And by the way, don't get me wrong, I'm still using ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the biggest, actually it is the biggest networks, affiliate networks in the world, and there is a reason to be the biggest affiliate network, right? But it's good to diversify your affiliate portfolio so you have cash flows from different networks. Okay, so we're here at the offers in GiddyUp, and we can see that these offers are way different than the offers you can find on ClickBank. So for example, FixD, this one, let's open this, or let me click that. This is an offer. I've been promoting actually this offer for quite a while, and it's pretty good. I go to my tracking links right here, and then I'm gonna go to URL and I'm gonna select, let's say, direct to checkout, advertorial 4. I copy this link. This is my affiliate link. So check this out. When I open this link on a new tab, right here, boom, we're going to see the product. And the product is very unique. You don't see this product every day. It's a innovative premium product for to fix your car without going to a mechanic. This is the product. This is the sales page. As you can see, it's an advertorial type of sales page. I have a video on how I do these type of landing pages. I'm going to link it down in the description below. But now this is the entire product. This is how it looks. The benefit number 2 is you have unique products that not many affiliates are promoting, because not many affiliates know these networks. So respectively, we're coming to benefit number 3, which is competition. If there are not many affiliates promoting this offer, it means that there is less competition in this affiliate space to promote these products. So you have a better chances of making those sales because you have a bigger market gap to fill. Okay, so let's recap before we jump to the next section. The three main benefits are you make straight fee commission. So it's a CPA network. Number one, CPA network, you make your money and you're not getting affected by refunds. Number two, you have unique offers and products to promote that their premium, and you don't find these on ClickBank. These are very unique and different products than the ClickBank's products. And number three, less competition because everybody's on ClickBank, right? And this is what makes your job as an affiliate harder because everybody is promoting the same offers, whereas here, not many affiliates are promoting these type of offers. So now, let's jump to the next section of this video, which is how do you find these type of CPA networks? Where do you find them and how do you pick the right offers to promote? Well, let's go to a place called offervote.com. I have selected here offervote.com. This is a marketplace for affiliate networks, not affiliate products, but affiliate networks. And in here in Offervote, I actually found GiddyUp here. So you can find many hundreds and even thousands of different affiliate networks that are not related to ClickBank. And what we can do here, you see where it says filters. In filters, I'm going to select categories. This is important. I'm going to select categories and I'm going to go to the category that I want. Do you see this? It says CPA. This is the category we want to be in, CPA, because like I said, we're not getting affected by any refunds. So I'm going to select CPA network, and now we can see all the offers from different affiliate networks that are going to be paying us CPA flat fee commission. So we can see the offer name right here, and we can see the payout, how much we're going to be paid. So for example, this one is paying 45 bucks. This one is paying 25. This one is paying just 5. So we just scroll. This is how I did it. I was just scrolling down here and researching different products. And now let's say I don't find the right product. What I can do, I can go over to the filters again. As we can see, now I have just one selected, which is the CPA. So what I can do is I can click this arrow again and I can scroll and try to find a category that I want to be in. And in this particular case that I showed you, GiddyUp, this is actually a CPA e-commerce affiliate network. So basically it's like a dropshipping network, but you don't do any work. You don't do any customer support. You don't do any shipping to the customer. You just collect your flat fee CPA commission. So what I can do here is I can find e-commerce and I'm going to select e-commerce. And now I have two selected, right? Two selected. And these two are, I want a network which is CPA and also a network that is into the e-commerce. And what we can see here, check this out, all of these different offers are into the e-commerce. So let's see what type of offers we can find. Now let's see this one. I'm gonna open this on a new tab and I'm just doing my research. So this one, gadget something, let's open this on a new tab. Let's go to number 3. As you can see, they're so diverse. You don't see these products and offers on ClickBank. And again, don't get me wrong, I'm still promoting ClickBank offers. I'm heavy on ClickBank. I'm just showing you this so you can diversify. It's not that I'm saying no, don't use ClickBank. I love ClickBank. I have like multiple accounts on ClickBank and multiple campaigns. But when you grow as a business owner, because you start as an affiliate, but then after you scale your campaigns, you become a business owner, and the affiliate campaigns, they become your business, your brand. So now it's good to diversify. So okay, I have opened these offers. Let's see this one. This one is a flashlight, as I can see, and what I can do, I can actually click the landing page, this one, and I can see how it looks like. So this is going to be the landing page, and boom, way different than the landing pages on ClickBank. It's a flashlight, looks pretty good, and I can decide, okay, I like this offer. I can go back to Offervote. I can click run offer, or I can, as you can see, the network name, I can click the network, just click that network, and it's going to send me to the actual network to sign up. So it literally sends me to the sign up form of the certain network, and I just sign up and I wait for them to approve my campaigns or my application. So let's go to the second product that I opened. This is, let's open this one to see what it is. I know what it is. I've been promoting this actually. It's a portable AC. This is very good offer for the summer. Basically, You carry this on with your luggage wherever you go, and you turn it on, and it's a portable AC. So it's a pretty good offer. And again, it's a CPA commission. And how much you're getting paid? Okay, so as you can see, you're getting paid $28 straight, flat fee. That's it. You're not getting affected again by refunds. So if I go back to offer vote, I see this one. So this is gonna pay us $50. Let's open this and see what it is. Let's find out. This is a watch. Okay, it pays $50 per commission, per conversion. So let's open this page and see how it looks like. All right. Oh, this is an ode. This is Christmas something. Okay, we don't wanna. This is too late for us. Christmas. Nope, we don't like this. Let's go back and let's try to find. You see, I'm doing this video on the spot. I'm not preparing anything because I want to be as natural as possible. So let's go to page number 4. Let's see this one. Open link on a new tab. This one pays us $30 per conversion. Again, flat fee. And it seems pretty weird, pretty innovative. So let's click either this page, the thumbnail, or I can click preview a landing page. So I'm gonna click preview, and boom, this is the sales page. And we can see these are, you will not see this type of product on ClickBank. This is pretty innovative. And what does it do? Do you know your body may be full of toxins? Okay, so this is gonna help you reduce your toxins or do some type of detox. Yeah, detox patches. So pretty innovative product. I don't believe that there are a lot of affiliates promoting this product, right? You don't see these type of products every day. This is actually maybe a fourth benefit, which is the products are weird. They're pattern interrupt. For example, if you are about to promote this product online somewhere on your media, you can use this type of images for your ads or for your organic traffic. And when people see this, like, what is that? It's a pattern interrupt images, pattern interrupt product, which is pretty good. I mean, you're going to have a lot of clicks because it's not an everyday product that people use. So yeah, this is the landing page. This is how I find these affiliate networks. This is where I found a GiddyUp on OfferVote. On OfferVote, just go and do a lot of research. Spend time researching different affiliate networks, different offers, different products. So you can go back to the filters here and you can actually remove these filters and actually start experimenting with other different filters. So you have clothing, coupons, you have CPL. CPL stands cost per lead. Again, you don't get affected if the customer decides to refund something because you're getting paid per lead. As soon as the lead is sent, you're getting paid. That's it. CPM, cost per mile, credit, crypto, dating, depth, display, downloads. You can actually get paid when somebody downloads something. So the possibilities here are huge. So just go and spend time researching the best offer for you. And if you want to learn more about how I promote these type of offers, how I structure my landing pages, how I build my funnels, where I found the best offers, I'm going to link more videos down in the description below. And also I'm going to link more resources. So go in the description below, check the resources out. Let me know in the comments below what do you think, or let me know actually what other networks have you used and have you had success with these affiliate networks. So now let's get to work and let's start making affiliate commissions. Till next time, cheers.